Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that could change the way you look at aging and your health, the Tru Niagen Pro NAD Plus supplement. If you're wondering whether this anti-aging product really works, stay tuned because we'll explore its benefits, safety, and how it compares to other options on the market. Let's get into it. Tru Niagen Pro is a supplement from Chromadex that uses nicotinamide riboside or NR to boost NAD plus levels in your body. If you've never heard of NAD+, it's a coenzyme that's vital for your cells to function and repair. Essentially, NAD+ is involved in cellular energy, brain health, muscle recovery, and even heart health. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decline. And that's where Tru Niagen steps in. Think of NAD+ as the fuel for your cells. It helps them generate energy and repair themselves. But here's the kicker. After we hit 30, our NAD+ levels start to drop. And by age 70, you could lose up to 65% of your NAD+. This leads to all sorts of age-related health concerns. That's why boosting your NAD+ is so important. So, what makes Tru Niagen Pro so special? First of all, it's a patented form of nicotinamide riboside, which is clinically proven to raise your NAD+ levels by up to 50% in just 2 weeks of daily use. That's a big deal. More NAD plus means better cellular repair, improved energy, and potentially even a reduced risk of some age related diseases. The benefits include increased cellular energy, you'll feel more energized and alert, improved muscle health and recovery, helping you bounce back quicker after a workout, enhanced brain health, keeping your mind sharp as you age, stronger heart health, supporting overall cardiovascular function, stress management, helping your body handle everyday stress more effectively. What's great about Tru Niagen Pro is that it's more efficient than other NAD plus precursors like NMN or niacinamide, meaning you get more benefits with fewer pills. And if you're someone who struggles with swallowing large capsules, you'll appreciate that Tru Niagen also offers stick packs for an easier powdered form. Now, let's talk about safety. Tru Niagen has been extensively studied, and it's shown to be both safe and effective when taken as directed. The FDA has given it approval for use as a supplement, and it's also been classified as generally recognized as safe (GRAS). Most users won't experience any serious side effects, but some might feel mild symptoms like bloating, nausea, or stomach discomfort, especially at higher doses. However, if you have a history of cancer or any specific medical conditions, it's best to consult your doctor before taking any NAD plus booster, just to be on the safe side. Now, let's talk pricing. Tru Niagen Pro isn't the cheapest supplement out there, but when you consider the science and the quality, it's pretty reasonable. The 500 milligram formula is priced at around $116 for a 30-day supply, which is a little less than $4 per dose. You can also save up to 30% if you sign up for their subscription plan, which is a nice perk. For those who prefer flexibility, they also offer stick packs, but these come at a slightly higher price. 300 milligram capsules, 30 servings, $116. Save 10% with subscription and save. So, how does Tru Niagen compare to other NAD plus supplements? Well, it's one of the best in terms of both scientific backing and customer satisfaction. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a scientifically backed, effective supplement to boost your NAD plus levels and help support overall health, Tru Niagen Pro is a solid choice. It's affordable, safe, and proven to increase NAD plus levels by up to 50% in just a couple of weeks. But remember, always talk to your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. If you're over 30 and want to keep your cells energized and healthy, Tru Niagen Pro could be the anti-aging supplement you've been waiting for. When compared to competitors like Life Extension or Elysium Bases, Tru Niagen stands out because it's more affordable, has a proven track record, and contains no artificial additives. Elysium Bases, for example, costs about $60 a bottle, and while it has additional ingredients like pterostilbene, some studies raise concerns about its effects on cholesterol. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth health and wellness reviews. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.